Hi guys, I'm Mr. King from Emostech, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money in dollars just with YouTube video. How you can earn in dollars just by liking TikTok or YouTube video. As simple as that. It's very simple. So all you have to do is to go over to your browser. This is what I've been doing, and my students have also been doing it, and they know me. They know that I don't do fake video. Whatever I do, whatever we share on this platform is what we have tested and is working, and we come here and share it with a lot of guys for them to make money online. So what we are going to do now is we head over to my browser. As you can see, this is psskills.net. As you can see, this is my browser. As you can see, this is my browser, and as you can see here is $47. So I have $47 with me already earned on this platform. It is psskills.net. that is primeshare.net. So as you can see, my dashboard, I have $47. So after performing today's task, you are going to see $48. So every day, once you do, you're able to earn $1, and the registration for this platform is just 4K is the registration fee. But within, as you can see, is within some few weeks that I registered on this platform, I'll be able to earn $47. You can convert that to Nigerian currency, okay, and within some weeks or months you earn such amount. At least you are not at loss. So all you have to do in order to earn this $1 daily, this is an earning $1 daily is just one. There are ebook sales, there are sharing of trends, and there are a lot of other things you can do. As you can see, there are skills also that you can learn on this platform. You can see they have advanced website development classes, advanced iOS and Android app creation, advanced copywriting courses. These are lists of courses that you can learn, and they are all high income skills. These are lists of courses that you can learn, and you can be able to start an online business with them, or you can learn all those skills and go and offer the service on freelance website like Upwork or Fiverr. So this is a great opportunity for you guys. So all you have to do in order to earn today's trend is to go over to this place. Then you go over to this three dot, then you click on the three dot. Just click on the three dot and then click share trend. So all you have to do is to click on share trend. So once you click on share trend, so it will take you over to this place. Then this is YouTube. You can see this is YouTube. This is YouTube. Then this is TikTok. So you have to choose one and share. Once you perform the day's task, then you'll be able to earn your $1 a cash out. Like today is 27. On the 2nd of next month, I will be able to cash out. It's not a must that you will refer. If you are not a referral earner, then on the 2nd of every month you can cash out your money. This is what a lot of people have been doing, a lot of my students have been doing, and they have been giving their testimony. So it is not a hidden something or trying to deceive you to register. So this is what you have to do. Then I will just go over and click on the YouTube tags. So I click on the YouTube tags. So I click on the YouTube. So you have to continue doing it this way. Click on YouTube. There are a lot of you click, as you can see, it has turned on to YouTube. As you can see, this is YouTube tags. So it's performing. This is the YouTube task. All you have to do is to like the day's video. Just like the video, and then you can go over to the comment section and just type wow. Just say wow. Prime share is the best. Prime share is the best. Then you send, and then comment added. That's all. Once you have done all that, you have performed it, you have performed the day's task. All you have to do is to go back and then go back to the platform. You can as well do same for TikTok. You can click and watch TikTok videos, so you can decide on the one to choose. So you have to go back and check Remember, our earning was $47 before, but after performing the trend, so you'll be able to earn $1. So this is it. So let's go. You click. Alright, as you can see, it was $47 before, but as of now you can see it is $48, which means automatically I have earned $1. So if you can do this every day, you can be able to earn money in dollars. So this is just a simple way. This is a lazy man way of making money online. You can be able to earn your money in dollar. On the 2nd of every month, you'll be able to cash out your earnings, and your earnings have to be $40 before you can be able to cash out as a non-refresh out your earning as low as $8. So this is just a simple way of making money online. So I just want to show you, if you want to register, so use the link in the description box to register, or you can chat me up for further instruction. And also you have to purchase your coupon code. So once you call me, I will purchase this coupon code for you and then get you registered. It is just as simple as that. So if you are interested, kindly use the link in the description to get in touch, to reach out with me, and I will get you registered as SAP. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe, and I will deeply appreciate it. Thank you.